Hello friends from Grisedale forest in Lake District. As you can see, I'm with the big backpack and I even have a new tent. I'm gonna test nature hike Quad Peak 2. It's gonna be first test, first try. It just arrived yesterday. I set it up at home, so I will have a little bit of experience, you know, with the new tent. It's better to wander at home in the back garden than wandering on the mountains, especially if the weather is bad. So yeah, I'm gonna test it tonight. Hopefully it's strong enough, because in the morning I'm expecting a lot of showers, a lot of rain. So, oh, can you see? What a beautiful view. Oh, amazing, so beautiful. ready with the tent. I set it up. Now it's time to open my sleeping bag, to put it on place, my sleeping pad and everything, but the tent is ready. The most important thing, our shelter, my shelter. It's gonna keep me dry because it starts raining. I was hoping I'm gonna raise up the drone, I'm gonna fly with it to make a few shots from above, but it's not gonna be today. So yeah, you can see, looks amazing. It's so sexy. Nature hike, Quad Peak 2. Okay, I finished with my dinner. Now I'm gonna change my clothes for bedtime. It's not bedtime, but just to get into the sleeping bag, and I will relax. I will watch something, or I don't know. I will just listening to the wind and the rain. So let me get changed, and I will see you in a bit. Good morning, everyone. I was hoping I'm gonna see the sunrise, but no. As you can hear, definitely there is no sunrise. Windy, raining, lovely weather to sleep. Oh, I even don't think I have to look outside. Let me just show you how does it looks like. Okay, I think it's time to get awake and prepare my breakfast. Let me wake up. How I'm gonna collect the tent, no idea. But we'll see. I'm almost ready with my luggage. Everything is collected. So wish me luck with the tent. It's time. Go away! They don't want to get in! Get away! Now they are surrounded from everywhere now. Okay, happy days. Okay guys, unfortunately it's home time, so I have to say bye to all of you. Thanks for watching, thanks for the support, and I'll see you next time. See you later.